ever heard of the dark web and wondered what it is? This video will help you to understand the dark web and explain the legitimate use of it. We've got an exciting bonus coming your way at the end of video. Stick around, you won't want to miss it. The dark web is a part of the internet that is not indexed by search engines and requires a special software to access. It is often associated with illicit activities such as illegal marketplaces, hacking forums, and other criminal enterprises. However, it is also important to recognize that the dark web exists due to its legitimate uses, such as protecting free speech and enabling anonymous communication. It is good to note the legitimate uses of dark web before learning how to access it. The dark web offers a higher level of anonymity compared to the surface web. It allows individuals to communicate and share information without revealing their real identities, which can be crucial for protecting freedom of speech, whistleblowing, and preserving privacy in repressive regimes. In countries with a strict internet censorship, the dark web can provide an avenue for accessing information that is otherwise blocked or restricted. It enables individuals to bypass government-imposed restrictions and obtain uncensored news, alternative viewpoints, or educational resources. The dark web can provide a platform for journalists, activists, and whistleblowers to securely communicate and publish sensitive information without the risk of their identities being exposed. It has been used as a tool for exposing corruption, human rights abuses, and governmental surveillance. It can be a valuable tool for those who face persecution or surveillance in their respective countries. Some researchers, cybersecurity experts, and law enforcement agencies explore the dark web to gain insight into cybercriminal activities, identify emerging threats, and develop countermeasures. This knowledge can help to improve cybersecurity best practices and protect individuals and organizations from online threats. Here is a bonus. In Tor browser, search for Hidden Wiki. You can find link to different versions of Hidden Wiki, which provides URL to different websites. Before clicking on any link, remember that the dark web can be a dangerous place. This video is purely for educational purpose, and we strongly advise against engaging in any illegal activities. If you click on the Facebook, you get the link on Onion Network, and you can log in to your Facebook account or create an account which does not provide any log. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay secure, stay protected.